Hello, for our completed work demo today we have number 286. This is a full-size 5-string banjo, 25.5-inch scale, 11-inch rim. It's made from walnut and pistachio, and I really love how the fretboard turned out on this pistachio fretboard. Some really beautiful colors in it. The rim is walnut block rim. Several different colors of walnut in the rim. This hardware is from Brooks Maston from Portland. It's really beautiful, classy hardware from just down the road. And there's no metal tone ring in this instrument. It's just the wooden block rim, which I really like the sound of that. And Goto tuners. All the hardware is unplated brass. And this has got a goat skin head, 1/2-inch bridge. Yeah, and this one's going to Jeremy, who's from Canada. Jeremy helped me do the CAD drawings, the plans for making the rim so that it matched up with the hardware, and so that was a part of his work on the computer for this was partial trade for this instrument, and I hope he really likes it.